Today, STP oil. This is for our chainsaw, our mini chainsaw. We're going to use this and lubricate it. Very simple. Oil it up. I like that it has a meter, how much oil you have left in the actual case itself, because this is important because you don't use everything all. And I like to see how much I have for the next use of the chainsaw. And I only use the chainsaw seasonable when I have to cut down some branches and clean up the backyard. Alright, so when we make any spills, I like to make sure that just a little bit falls in place, not too much. Oh, I'm gonna clean it up right now. I have some shirts here. Close it up, clean up the excessive oil, and then we begin to pump it. All right, this is very important. All right, now you're gonna pump the oil and you start seeing the oil in here, and there we go. So we see the oil in there now. It's lubricated and we start using it. Now I will run it for a couple minutes, of like a couple seconds, so the lubrication can go around it. So let's do that. And that's it. You can see the lubrication on the actual chain. Once you see it, you're ready to go.